everyone. This video is especially for girls, and they're gonna love this video because this video has something really interesting. I'm gonna mention this special hair removal cream for the bikini area. Usually I get a lot of queries about waxing and shaving, all those things around bikini area. So I came across this hair removal cream on Nykaa, so I bought it and wanted to share the review of this. This is from a brand called Everteen. First of all, it's a very safe cream. It's very safe and gentle on skin, so we can rely on this 100%. So this contains natural chamomile extracts, and this is especially for sensitive skin formula. And it says no razor bumps or ingrown hair, no razor cuts, no harsh smell, no skin darkening. So it claims this. The price of this is 149 rupees, approximately 150 rupees, and the quantity is 50 grams. 50 grams, I think it's kind of okay because it takes very little amount, so it's kind of affordable. So I'll quickly show you how to use it and what it contains. First of all, a very cute thing, the coin towels. I'll let you know how to use them. And then we have a spatula. We get spatula in every hair removal cream. And then we have a cream. Then we have a leaflet of how to use. See, how to use is very simple. You apply a layer and then you keep it for 5 minutes, and then you remove in the opposite direction with the spatula and dip this coin towel in a water, and it's going to expand. Just unfold it and clean that area with this towel. Don't use any other towel because this is very hygienic, and of course this is use and throw towel, so you don't need to waste any of your other things. There are little precautions. There are some precautions like do a patch test. Just apply a very little amount around your bikini line and keep it for 5 minutes, and then check for next 24 hours if your skin is okay. If your skin feels good and if you feel comfortable, then only use this on the complete area. Otherwise, don't use this. Second thing is, if you have shaven your skin in last 72 hours, like 3 or 4 days, then don't use this cream. Just wait for new hair growth to come for next 4, 5, 6 days, and then use it. If you have any allergy or any cuts or any sort of irritation already around the bikini line, don't use this. This might irritate it a little extra. And then I think that's all. And of course, after using this, don't use any perfume, any sort of artificial thing. You can use the hygiene wash or intimate wash after using this. That's all. I would rate this cream as 10 out of 10. It's very, very safe cream, very safe, and it's a good alternative to shaving or waxing. I mean, you don't need to go to parlor now. It's very embarrassing at times to go to parlor. So I'll leave all the links in the description box from where you can buy. Easily available everywhere. And do subscribe to my channel for such useful and helpful videos. Till next time, take care. Bye.